Today in this video, I will share you super easy DIY that can give you flawless skin, whiten your skin, remove blemishes from your skin and clear your complexion. In this DIY, we will need only 2 ingredients: coffee and milk. Coffee is rich in antioxidants that will reverse damage in your skin caused by free radicals, and milk is rich in lactic acid, so it will remove dead skin cells that are deposited in your pores. Take 1 tablespoon of coffee powder in a bowl and add 1 spoon of raw milk. Mix it well. We need a cream-like consistency of this paste. Your pack is ready. How to apply this pack on your face? First, remove makeup on your face with micellar water. Is very effective to remove oil. Best brand for this from your face. After that, wash your face with regular face cleanser for dry your face. And now your skin is ready for applications. Apply layer of the coffee milk mixture all your face and rub it gently for 2 minutes on your face. Leave this marks for 10 minutes and then rinse your face with plain water. For best result, do this treatment twice a week and that also in night time. Tiny skin pores on face. These are opening of hair follicles. Each one of them has its own sebaceous gland that produce oil to protect our skin. Sometimes these pores become bigger and then they are visible to naked eyes. That makes your skin to appear uneven and rough. Blackheads and whiteheads are also directly related to open pores. They are nothing but clogged pores with oil, dirt and dead skin cells. This video, I will share DIY that will deeply cleanse your pores and will help you shrink their size. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.